So basically this video is for CRUD setup for in our Hyperledger Fabric network, like how to create, read and update and delete record into Hyperledger Fabric network. So I have created a readme file and I use the readme file instruction, like what we can set up and store our data into Hyperledger Fabric and get into the node server and then show into the React server. So let's get started. So this is my repository, uh, and I open this repo into my VS Code. So first we have to go to the Chaincode sh folder and then download all the contract APIs. So just go to the folder, go Modinet and install all the node packages. I think so there might be some issue. So go.mode file is created, and also some is file also created. Yeah, it's working well. I just put these two files into our .gitignore file because the file is taking some MBs and I have not pushed that file into our GitHub. So I just put into the gitignore file. So now this is our folderization. You have seen that API Chaincode asset and all the React UX, and also that I have creating a basic Chaincode lifecycle sh file where I have to just put these commands into that sh file, and whole setup will be done within a one command to run our shell file. Also that command as well as to just create a package, then installation, then for approval on organizations, and then commit and all these stuffs. Also that also invoke command as well as create, update and delete and read method as well as, and also query the methods. So we have done the write code. Then now we have to just install the fabric binaries. I've used 2.5.5 versions because my Go version is 1.2.23.5. If you have lower version Go, you can use this command as well as. So just open the terminal. First I have to just provide permission to my chaincode lifecycle.sh file. So sudo chmod. You have also created that file, so help it out to taking less time to run all the command. Then run this command. So I use 2.5, I already said that, and 1.5.2 version for Fabric CA certificate authority. So wait for complete the download process of Fabric binaries. After that continue to creating channel, up and down networks, and invoke the commands. So our setup will be, installation of binaries will be done. Now we have to just put the channel name. I use my name as in channel name, Prashant channel. I created that script as well as to just dynamic all the things. When I put n, I just again put the name Prashant channel, again asking why. After that it down the network and then up the network, down because any network is on running state. Refresh the all things and then up the network, and also we are using level db as well as to up the network to create and start the CA. So this peers will be started for organization 1 as well as organization for 2. Prashant channel will be joined. The join message on first channel, organization 1 Prashant channel join, then Prashant channel will be joined organization 2. After that I have some basic environment variables. I have to just set that this like peer and paths, etc. If you want to set this variable, you can check out the Fabric document. Then I have to add some package name like zip file name. So I just taking asset1 as an zip file name. Also that the label name is our asset underscore one, and the .tar.zip file is our zip file that is stored in our testnet folder in Fabric samples folder. After that it install for organization 1. After that it install for organization 2, as well as both process for organization 1 and 2 will be same, but some different things will be changed, like server's port. So I'm just waiting for just install the so package will be installed into the organization 1, and we got package ID asset1 ba this and label name, as well as after that it approve on for organization 1, and then get the status. These one are status approved chain definition on Prashant channel sequence 1 and all these stuffs. And then this same process will be doing for organization 2. Now export the environment variables for organization 2 and install the this zip file into organization 2 setup for organization 2 setup. Yeah, so basically second step also are completed. For organization 2 this package will be installed and also approved that, as well as after that the commit run automatically. Then check the commit definition. It's when the commit will be approved properly, we have to query that. If you want to check that, in our readme file I just put some basic commands, like you want some things into that command, put the values and run that commands, and we done completely. Like here query network, like then we have to invoke or maybe just create an asset. So I just put asset1 as an unique ID. I just taking 4 parameter like asset1. Yeah, definitely I just put the unique ID asset1. Then color name I have to take black, amount 7, and owner name is for Prashant. When Chaincode is successfully run, we have to get our data. Now then the detail will be stored into our local test network, into our Hyperledger Fabric. Now we have to just get this detail from our server and show into the UI side. So just go to the API folder, and after that we have to install all the packages. When the packages will be installed, I have to just create a env file. So env file don't have, just checked out. Env example we have, we can't create as an env. I don't think so. I just copy this file and then rename .env. Channel name we are using Prashant channel, and our chain code will be asset1. If you want to check that why we are using, so this is our chain code label name, and this is our channel name and code. After that we have to start the network. clear this thing. npm start. I think so. Yeah. And one more thing, we have to just set up admin wallet credential. So we have to create a folder into wallet folder. So I already created a folder. Now we have to just put the admin private keys while we have to just create a channel. So as well as I just copy this command and run into this section. Go to the file.sample folder. So I'm just going into the testnet folder and run the command to store our admin private key. So just open that. So we have to get the certificates, private keys, and all the detail for organization 1 because we are taking for organization 1. After that I have to run the import command, so to add .admin private key into that folder. So we have one thing in wallet folder admin, but whenever I just run this file import, admin new identity will be imported because we have to just set up the admin identity as well as. So when we are going into that folder, now we have two things. First is for admin folder to have private keys and all the certificate MSPs things, and second one is for admin ID for credential, all the admin credential for MSP ID organization and all these stuffs are in there. Now we have started our node server. We already started, but I have to restart that node server. Now we are going to the UI part. So back to the UI part, cd react UI, clear that, then install all the package as well as, and then start the network. Wait for installing all the process. So when the React installation done, we have to run that network npm start. So basically our Hyperledger Fabric API, our React node server is running on the 3000 port, so we are using 3001 port. So this is our basic, not that much high quality of UI side. I just created basic setup. So there are 5 things in CRUD operation, say create, read, update and delete, as well as how many asset will be added. So just click on the read all asset. We have to get array of asset, and when we put and get the single asset, just put the asset name. After that I have to add another asset like 800 white color, sorry, I just put the white color, amount 800, and like that, and create the asset. After creating that button, then asset to created successfully notification comes, and when we read, the detail will be show. And also when we click on the read all asset thing, both detail are shown. I have just create another thing like orange color 900 and XYZ. Again create the asset, and then asset created successfully. Whenever I have to again just create this asset thing, they show me an error, this asset or 3 already exist. You have if you want to just update this message, get only this message, you can use that as well. I just put all the details in both network. And also that I have, if you want to update this XYZ to ABC, the owner's name, you can update that method as well as. After that you have to read this detail. You get without XYZ in place of order. Now we have to ABC, just update thing. And if you want to delete this uh, detail, you can just click on delete asset. The detail will be deleted. You want to check the asset 3 does not exist and is gone. So this is basic CRUD operation in Hyperledger Fabric network. I goes fastly, but in a short, this is the basic read file. I just use my shell file to show or run all this command as fastly, because when I just run this single for organization 1 and 2 and approve and then commit, taking too much time. So I creating a basic as shell file. You can use as well as a bash file and just run the command. So basically this is a basic setup and basic CRUD operation using Go language, Hyperledger Fabric, React and server are nodes. Okay, thank you.